Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you. Today we're going to do a little unboxing, and we're going to unbox right here the charge controller that goes along with the Aleko / Typmar 300 watt vertical axis wind turbine. And we open it up and we come out. That's it, just the charge controller. Here it is, Aleko wind turbine controller, 12 volt, CD 5.0, whatever that means. Now if we take a look, we have here are the hookups. We got the battery hookup, and we got the 3 for the wind turbine. Because it comes out as 3-phase AC, that's why you got 3 connections for the turbine, and you got 2 for the battery. Right, well here you have the 3 operating lights. You've got unload, charge, and overheating. So this kind of tells you how the system's working. And we walk over here to the other side, and we've actually got a button for unload and normal. Normal will be normal operation. Unload is when you want it to run without a load. So basically you're free spinning the turbine. And we see on the other side here, we've got a discharge for a fan so the thing doesn't overheat. Well, there you have it, folks. The Aleko 12 volt charge controller for its 300 watt wind turbine. Hey, when it's time to start your DIY project and you need some help, check out my website at gogreenenergyonline.com or give me a call at 952-334-6400.